In the past few years, we've seen a great number of medical facilities begin to use whole body vibration to treat patients for a wide variety of medical concerns. One of the diseases routinely being treated with vibration therapy is osteoporosis. There are numerous medical studies and reports in the past 10 years that highlight the effectiveness of whole body vibration training for treating osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a disease which results in the deterioration of bone density. There's no known reason why people develop it, though researchers have shown strong hereditary links for the disease. So, genetics play a large role in determining if one will ever be diagnosed with osteoporosis. There's no magic pill to make it go away either. Typical treatment has involved strong medication, increased calcium diets, and physical therapy. Exercise in general has shown to generate great results in the treatment of osteoporosis. Many of the people suffering from osteoporosis are looking for treatment options which don't involve numerous drugs and medications and their potential side effects. A great number of women who are at risk of being diagnosed with osteoporosis are taking a very proactive approach to ward off the effects of this disease in the future. Typically, middle-aged women are the most at-risk group for osteoporosis. We are seeing women in their 40s and early 50s purchasing vibration machines in hopes of avoiding the very severe results of advanced osteoporosis. Vibration therapy is a very effective treatment for two reasons. Firstly, it encourages better blood circulation, which in turn aids in getting nutrients, such as calcium, transported throughout the body. Secondly, vibration therapy can induce mild stress levels on bones. Studies have shown bones respond to physical stresses by generating growth. In general, if the body determines the bones are under stress, it will automatically try to make the bones stronger. Thus, it begins or accelerates the growth or densification process. This is quite different for a person who is in a state of rest, who will exhibit no signs of the body's regeneration of bone material. This impressed physical stress is a key component to the treatment of osteoporosis. Exercise in general is one of the main elements of treatment for osteoporosis, and in many ways, vibration therapy can be safer and more effective for treatment than general exercise, as there is far less risk of injury with vibration therapy. This is just another example of the effectiveness of whole body vibration for therapeutic purposes.
Traditionally, triplanar machines were used for treating osteoporosis, as their low amplitude, high-speed motion is the best for that. But in the past few years, we've been switching treatments to the soft triplanar machines since they don't cause any damage to the knees and soft tissues, like the triplanar machines do. That's one of the reasons I think the Genesis Sport would be a perfect machine for what we're looking for here. It has a soft triplanar motion that's perfectly safe to use. We need to take advantage of the machine's ability to increase blood circulation to help get more nutrients to the bones, and these poses are perfect for getting that to happen. I got 4 different exercises that I want to show you. Remember that just as with any exercise, you want to ensure that you have a proper warm-up before you start. This routine will primarily work your deltoids, trapezius muscles, and rhomboids, otherwise known as your shoulders and your back muscles. Utilizing the Genesis Sport machine while performing an upright row will help to increase movement in your shoulders and strengthen your back. Performing this exercise will also slow down the rate of mineral loss in your bones, not to mention an increase in circulation and muscular strength. Grab the resistant bands and have your palms facing you. Take the bands and pull your elbows up towards the ceiling, keeping your hands in front of your chest. Pull all the way up, hold, and relax down back to neutral position. Continue this exercise for 10 to 15 repetitions and 2 to 3 sets as you feel comfortable. We're mainly working our lower body muscles here in this exercise, the glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, and hip flexors. Utilizing these muscle groups is a great way to increase your flexibility and also improve overall blood circulation throughout the body, as well as working some of the largest muscle groups. Begin with your feet shoulder-width apart, having your toes pointing forward. Grip onto the handlebars for added support and balance. Keep your tummy pulled in nice and tight and sitting up straight. Look directly in front of you. Take your knees and bend them down to get to a nice 90-degree angle. Watch that your knees do not cross over top of your toes and sit with your chest sitting high. Stand back up to neutral position. Again, repeat this exercise for 10 to 15 reps as you feel comfortable for 2 to 3 sets. With this exercise, you're working the deltoids and rhomboids, which are found at the back of your shoulders and in the middle of your back. Your core will also be engaged during this exercise as you have to stand upright and keep your posture correct. This exercise will help improve your body posture and spinal alignment. It helps build overall strength in your shoulders and middle back. This exercise can also boost your heart and circulatory system health. Building muscle around the spine will also help increase bone density. Start by holding the handlebars. Bend your knees slightly. Lean over from your hips and keep your head in a neutral position. Palms facing each other. Take your elbows and slightly glide them up to the sides of your body, squeezing the middle of your back. Hold for 1 second. And relax back down to a neutral position with your arms straight. Again, repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times, 2 to 3 sets, as you feel comfortable. This next routine is mainly working our pectoral muscles and triceps and also our deltoids. Your core will also get a good workout in as it's your main stabilizer in keeping proper form. This exercise will help to increase your posture and range of motion. You're working major upper body muscles to help strengthen your joints and reduce pain, along with swelling and inflammation. This will help not only to reduce your perception of pain, but also help overcome limited functionality. The more circulation of blood throughout your body, the quicker inflammation in the joints will decrease. Stand on the Genesis Sport with your arms shoulder-width apart. Pull your stomach in and inhale as you lift your elbows up to the machine. Take a nice deep breath in and breathe out and exhale as you lower yourself closer to the machine, bending your elbows. Press yourself back up into neutral position. Remember, keep your tummy pulled in nice and tight as you engage down and you press yourself back. Repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times as you feel comfortable for 2 to 3 sets.